So welcome back guys. Today we are going to start with our first practical of operating system. Although we are done with the Windows commands and we are going to do next with the Linux commands, I got the request from many of the people that you want the video on the installation of the softwares as well. So I am trying to create those videos for you. So the first practical we are going to do is on the installation of the VMware software, which is your first practical of the operating system. What we are going to do is we are going to install this application VMware machine. You can install this exe file from any official website online. Nothing payment or any subscription payment you have to pay, and see the steps I am following to install this VMware software. Okay. So the same steps you have to follow for the installation of the VMware I have done now. Now it is installing guys. It may take some time. See, I got the logo on the desktop. The logo of it. This one. So I have finished with the installation of the VMware workstation. So let's open it. Now what we have to do is to create a new virtual machine. Now our second practical is on C. Our second practical is on installation of the Linux operating system over the virtual machine that we have installed earlier in the first practical. Okay, so its steps are: first you have to click over create a new virtual machine, then you have to upload here the disk image. When you install now this exe file from the internet, you will get one image as well. See, I'll let you know from here. See, this one is the disk image file. You have to upload it here. Okay, you have to specify your name. Okay, So you have to enter the username in the lowercase, or you can enter the numbers from 0 to 9. The pop-up box was showing this message, okay? This would be the virtual machine name, okay? And this would be the location of your virtual machine. See, we are done with the installation of the Linux operating system. Guys, it is loading. We are almost done, guys, with the installation of Practical 2, that is Linux operating system on the VMware machine. See, so it is asking to log in. It will ask for password that you have set earlier while the installation, okay? Authentication failure. I think I have entered the wrong password earlier. Now see, it is making me to log in, and we are done with the installation. In the next practical, in the next video, we are going to do with the Linux commands. Okay guys, hope you guys understood this practical. Any queries, please mention in the comment section below. Please subscribe guys, so that you can get the notification, and click the bell icon, then only you will get the notifications. And okay guys, bye bye, see you in next video.